Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 22nd April 2021. So this analysis is for 22nd April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 23rd April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, we have the weekly time frame in front of us, and we can see that in the weekly time frame market looks bullish. Market has formed a green candle this week, and in the previous 2 weeks also market formed a green candles. And as you remember correctly, when market was in this position, I told you that market will be going up because market has got twin support in the form of this pivot line and this 50 moving average, and as expected market did move up, and yes, market looks bullish right now. And if you have entered in this position and you are in the position right now, then do continue with your position. Market is still bullish, you do not need to come out. Okay, enjoy the profit. And if you are looking for a short-term opportunity, then we need to look at the 4 hours time frame. And if you watch my previous video on Euro USD that I released day before yesterday, then hopefully you are in a good profit right now, because I showed you that though overall trend of the market is bullish right now, okay, considering this, but we had the best trading opportunity here, because see, I showed you in my previous video where we need to enter. And if you have watched my video, then you are in a good profit right now, and please do not come out of the trade right now. You are in profit and enjoy the profit, okay, because this was the best trading opportunity, best place to enter the trade, and hopefully you have entered the trade. And if you are looking for a fresh opportunity, then you will have to wait for some time, because see, market will be going up and market may face some resistance in this particular level, in this particular high. Looking at the present scenario of the market should cross this particular red line. If market crosses this particular red line, then it will be a confirmation to us that yes, market is still bullish, market is making higher highs. Okay, that means market is bullish enough and we do not need to worry. And but we'll have to wait for the best opportunity. Yes, we'll have to wait for the market to come down to this trend line again. You all know it very well that I'm not a big fan of trend lines, but yes, in this case market is following the trend line. Okay, that's why if you are looking for a fresh opportunity, then you will have to look for only buy position only, no selling position, because overall trend of the market is towards the upside. Market is bullish, so if you sell, then you will be going against the trend, and that will be a big mistake. If you are not a pro trader, then you should not be doing a trade which goes against the trend. Okay, counter trend trade is not for you if you are not a pro trader. Anyways, right now you should only be looking for buying opportunity only, that's it. Okay, and considering all this, considering the present market, okay, market has already gone up from this 50 moving average, sorry, this trend line. Therefore you'll have to wait for the market to fall to this trend line again. If you are a trader, then you must draw a trend line like this in your chart in the 4 hours time frame, okay, and just wait for the market to fall in this trend line again. But when market will come down to this trend line, then you just need to observe the market. Okay, market has come down to the trend line, that doesn't mean that you'll have to buy right away. Try to understand the market psychology, just observe the price. Okay, here you see market is showing price rejection from below. Here also price rejection from below. Here also price rejection from below. And here also price rejection from below. Which means that whenever price is coming to the trend line, it is testing the support and it is taking the required support, and as a result it is bouncing from the trend line. So it is getting the required support. So when market will be coming to the trend line again, you'll have to check whether market is getting the required support or not. If you see that market has come to the trend line and it has formed a candle like this, red candle like this, then you should not buy. Okay, then you should not buy. Okay, you should only buy when market will be giving you the confirmation yet yes, the support is still valid and market is taking support, and you can buy here. And as a result, you'll have to wait for the market as of now if you're looking for fresh trading opportunity, because market has gone up. And if you want to enter here, okay, if you want to enter, then you can enter, but as I always say, you should not compromise with the discipline. And whenever you enter into a trade, you should always look for the area of value, and in an uptrend market, area of value is always near the support. Therefore you should only buy just at the support or above the support. Okay, so do not worry, wait for some time. Okay, let the market come down to the trend line, take support, and then you can go for a buy. Do not compromise with the discipline. That's it. This is the analysis of Euro USD. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.